Hi, my name is Young Kim, and I'm a postdoc at Seoul National University. Together with Soyeon Lee and Young Tagu, we wrote the paper Regular Short-Lived Shape Posets and their Zero-Heki modules. In this video, I will introduce our result briefly, and I hope this video piques your interest. Let's begin. The Yaori algebra is a deformation of group algebra with symmetric group. This algebra have been widely studied in referential theory. The Zero-Heki algebra H and 0 is the Q equals 0 specialization of H and Q. In 1996, Duchamp, Crowe, Leclerc-Thibon discovered quasi-symmetric characteristic, which is an isomorphism between the crossing ring of module categories of H and 0 and the ring of quasi-symmetric functions. Building on this correspondence, there have been several studies which constructed various Zero-Heki modules corresponding to quasi-symmetric analogs of Schur basis. To study these modules in a uniform way, Jung, Kim, Lee, and Oh introduced a new class of modules called Wick-Brewer integral modules. This module is an H and 0 module whose underlying space is the C-span of a Wick-Brewer integral module. Let Bn be the category of direct sums of Wick-Brewer integral modules up to isomorphism. Then, these authors proved that the category Bn contains all aforementioned modules and their entire automorphism twist. They also proved that the cross-ending ring of the category Bn's is isomorphic to the ring of quasi-symmetric functions. When we uploaded this paper on arXiv, we received a couple of questions which asked that, is there any relation between Wick-Brewer integral modules and Poisson modules? Poisson modules are special Zero-Heki modules introduced by Duchamp, Hibbert, Thibon in 2002. Let us denote Pn, the set of posets on bracket n. A Poisson module MP is an H and 0 module whose underlying space is the C-span of sigma P, which is the set of linear extensions of P identified with permutations. The quasi-symmetric characteristic image of MP is the P partition generating function. Let Pn be the category of direct sums of Poisson modules up to isomorphism. When you try to find an answer of the question, we found a result of Vienna and Wass, which states that the set of left Wick-Brewer integral modules is identical to the set of sigma Lp for regular posets P. Let Rpn be the set of regular posets on bracket n. Based on this result, Choi, Kim, Oh proved that the category Bn is contained in Pn, thus answered the question. And they also proved that the crossing ring of the category Pn is isomorphic to the ring of quasi-symmetric functions. This picture illustrates the result I just explained. And there is an important ring, sim, which is the ring of symmetric function in the ring of quasi-symmetric functions. So it is natural to ask that, what is the counterpart of sim in the category of Bn and Pn? When we tried to find the answer of this question, we encountered a long-standing a long-standing conjecture known as Stanley's p-partition conjecture. This conjecture says that a poset P is a short-lived Q-shaped poset if and only if each p-partition generating function is symmetric. So, if this conjecture is true, then the poset modules associated with short-lived Q-shaped posets constitute a key portion in this red region. Likewise, the poset modules associated with regular short-lived Q-shaped posets form a key portion in this yellow region. This motivates us to study regular short-lived Q-shaped posets and their zero-Hequian modules. Now, let me introduce our result. In section 3, we describe the weak-Brouwer interval structure of the set sigma LP. To do this, we introduce a special bijective filling denoted by tau p, which will play important role throughout this paper. In section 4, we define an equivalence relation D equivalent on int n. Two intervals I1 and I2 are D equivalent if there exists a descent preserving poset isomorphism between I1 and I2. We proved that for two regular posets P and Q, their poset modules are isomorphic if their set of linear extensions are D equivalent. Then we describe the equivalence class of the set of linear extensions for regular poset P by using a right weak-Brouwer interval. In particular, when P is regular short-lived Q-shaped poset, we describe the equivalence class of sigma LP in terms of shape of tau p. Here, combining the third result and first result, we can prove that if there for regular short-lived Q-shaped poset P and Q, if shape of tau p and shape of tau q are same, then their poset modules are isomorphic. So we wonder that the converse of this implication is also false or not. To prove that, in section 5, we determine the projective cover and injective of these poset modules. Then we observe that if shape of tau p and shape of tau q are different, then at least one of projective cover and or injective of MP and MQ should be different. So we prove that the converse is also true. Section 6 consists of two parts. In section 6.1, we find a characterization of regular short-lived Q-shaped poset in terms of dual plate closed. Here, sigma LP is dual plate closed means that sigma LP is closed under the dual Knuth equivalence, which is closely related with Robinson-Schein's correspondence. In 6.2, we introduce a notion of distinguished filtration. When you have an HN0 module M and a linearly independent subset B of QSIM, whose elements are F positive, a distinguished filtration of M with respect to B is a special filtration which satisfies this condition the quasi-symmetric characteristic of subquotient is an element of this set B. Finding this kind of distinguished filtration is important because it gives a representation theoretic interpretation for the expansion of characteristic of M in the linearly independent subset B. However, even the quasi-symmetric characteristic of M can expand in B positively, there may not exist such a distinguished filtration. We prove that when P is regular shear-labeled shape set, MP always has a distinguished filtration with respect to shear basis. In the last section, we discuss some topics for future research. We first discuss the classification problems. We give an example which says that for shear-labeled shape set PQ, even the shape of tau P and shape of tau Q are the same, their Poisson modules can be non-isomorphic. This says that the condition shape of tau P is not sufficient to give a classification for Poisson modules. And we conjecture that for two regular posets P and Q, if their Poisson modules are isomorphic, then the set of linear extensions are D-equivalent. Very recently, this conjecture was proven by Yang and Yu. Then we discussed the decomposition problem of Poisson module for regular shear-labeled shape posets. We proved that if the shape of tau P is connected, then the Poisson module MP is indecomposable. We also proved that if shape of tau P contains a disconnected ribbon, then MP is not indecomposable. In addition, for the remaining case, that is, if shape of tau P is disconnected and does not contain any disconnected ribbon, we leave a conjecture which says that MP is indecomposable. That conjecture is still open. Finally, we discuss a method for recovering Poisson module MP for regular shear-labeled shape poset P from a module of generic Hecke algebra. This is the end of my talk. If you have any questions or comments, then please feel free to contact us. Thank you for your attention.